and being able to contribute, but also pay for these services is kind of best of both worlds. We're able to get support when we need it, but we're also able to look under the hood. My name is Dylan Stammet. I'm the CTO of a company called VerticalChange. We're a data system in the social sector. The reason we chose Teleport is because we are in a very heavily compliant industry. We deal with lots of public health information and PII, and we need to be able to audit all of the access to all of our resources. We had a large fleet of machines, and when engineers would come on board and exit, it was a big problem to provide access to the different types of machines based on the roles that these users had. So we might have a super user system administrator that needed access to the entire fleet, but someone that was a little bit more junior only needed access to the web fleet. An important part of maintaining a HIPAA compliance, and then you start to get into the federal regulations, being able to describe who has access to certain machines at specific times becomes important, becomes a kind of a insurance policy for your company. Just being able to plug and play, and you have all this stuff working for you. It's one of the reasons that we started using AWS 10 years ago, was that a lot of the we wanted to build a product, we didn't want to build infrastructure. So this type of tool is extremely important in being able to get moving fast and still meet these compliance controls that we need to meet. I think some of the best parts of Teleport are the ability for our engineering team to access infrastructure very easily. So they're able to actually go to a specific URL and click into machines, which is really helpful. I would recommend Teleport to anybody who has to deal with infrastructure, compliance, regulatory controls, and needs to be able to provide access to infrastructure in a very easy manner.